Look, I want to expose this once and for all. Every girl in the world needs to watch this video. Do you know that birth control pills are classified as group 1 carcinogens? That is, they cause cancer. Let me show you. Yes, combined estrogen progesterone oral contraceptives, also known as birth control pills, are classified as group 1 carcinogens by the International Agency for Research and Cancer. This classification means they are considered carcinogenic to humans. You will just say like this, you get breast cancer from nowhere. You think it's from village. No be you the pop pills. Every time you have a knack with your boyfriend, you just open one, put for your mouth. No child. Before you know it, breast cancer, cervical cancer. Let me show you. See, if you are not following me till now maybe Dave Partner, highest native doctor in the whole world. Go and confirm, records prove it. Make sure you click this to go and follow me. You understand? Anything health problem where we say they can't cure it, reach out to me. So look at this, right? IARC classifies substances into 2 different groups based on their carcinogenic potential. This means that their potential to cause cancer. Group 1 is the highest risk category. Read this again. Yes, birth control pills are classified as group 1 carcinogens. Okay? Group 1 is the highest risk. Are you seeing it? Indicating sufficient evidence that the substance can cause cancer in humans. You know the names. I don't want to call any name. You understand? That drug you take to prevent pregnancy, it is messing with your hormones in such a way that you will develop cancer. This refers to birth control pills containing both estrogen and progestin, which are synthetic versions of the female sex hormones. This progestin delays ovulation so that the woman will not get pregnant. Now, some women, this problem has become permanent for them. They no fit ovulate again. Husband and wife go just they find solution, no way to ovulate. But now you still go pop pill in the past. Now you've paused your biological system. Wala. Ignorance is a disease. Studies have linked the use of combined oral contraceptives to an increased risk of certain cancers, particularly breast cancer, cervical cancer, and liver cancer, especially current and recent users. Wala. See, this kind of video no they last. If you're watching it, just download it on your phone. If you take down this video, give me strike on my account. You understand? That's why sometimes I don't expose these things, so I will just be using innuendo. But this one, if I don't say it directly, some people no go get them. I'm still the most powerful native doctor in the whole world. No try me, otherwise I'll fling juju for your side. I'll give you 2 juju. Now watch. Listen very carefully. It can increase the risk of some cancers while reducing the risk of some. Once you pop that pill, you are now playing in the region of cancer. Now you and cancer now they your side. Women who have COCs for 5 or more years may have a higher risk of cervical cancer compared to those who have never used them. This is a type of birth control pill. Now look at the kind of cancers it can reduce. Birth control pills, particularly COCs, can reduce the risk of ovarian cancer. Even though it's increasing cervical cancer risk, it's reducing ovarian cancer. Okay? And then the other cancers it's reducing, but it exposes you to this one. And breast cancer like we saw in the other one. So not all birth control pills are combined oral contraceptives. Okay, look at this. Combined oral. Oral means this one you pop in your mouth. Combined means that they have 2 hormones, synthetic. Okay? Your estrogen and progestin hormones combined in both of them. So not all of them have it combined. They say the one that have it combined, cancer. Look at this. Increase in breast cancer risk. You just they treat breast cancer from nowhere, from pastor to pastor. Pastor go they chop you money. You carry your mama, they go from one place to another. They treat breast cancer. Pastor they chop them till the woman will die. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me just bust everything once and for all. If you have not followed me by now, you're missing. best TikTok channel in the whole world. Just click on my name. Make sure that on my profile is over 400,000 views, followers on TikTok. Follow that account. Go through my videos. You confirm what I'm saying. If you're on Instagram, make sure it's over 90,000 followers. Go through my videos. You will confirm. Group 1 carcinogens. These are the items that are confirmed to cause cancer at the highest level. Tobacco. Smokers, what's up? How long do you wait? How long do you think you're gonna live smoking that thing? They are saying tobacco smoke and secondhand smoke. That is, if you are close to somebody that smokes. Let's say you are working in a bar, and people come there and smoke, and you say you're not smoking, but you're breathing it. Cancer. Voila. You understand? Or let's say that you are dating a guy that smokes or more. Asbestos, benzene, formaldehyde. This thing is in some face creams. Take your body cream now. Check whether you're going to see formaldehyde, benzene. Okay. Now, vinyl chloride. It's in body creams, so arsenic and inorganic arsenic compounds. Cadmium compounds. Chromium, silica. They watch, or you'll see another one you know now. And look at this. Diesel engine exhaust. Diesel engine exhaust, coal tar pitch, alcoholic beverages, ethanol. If you drink alcohol, the same alcohol you're drinking now is not the one that your fathers drank. They drank it, they clocked 90, they smoke. It's not the same thing. No, the juju where they put inside this one now die. For those that will say that their father smoked till 90, come and reach 90. Let me see now. Processed meat, bacon, hot dogs. This one is actually violating a law of nature. I wish I had hot dog. Just Google what hot dog means. Every shawarma stand in Nigeria, they are putting it in their shawarma. You want to eat shawarma, now you are eating kansawarma. Anytime you buy shawarma, open it first. Those 2 hot dogs, remove it and throw it away. Those hot dogs they put there, is violating the law of nature. As a native doctor, I can tell you. Let me tell you one thing, right? When you are eating, you usually eat meat from one animal, right? If you cook food now, your meat could be like beef or goat meat, right? If you are chewing the beef is from one animal. If you are chewing goat meat, it's from one animal. But what they do with this processed meat is that they grind it together. So you have different pigs, for instance. They grind everything together, then they convert it to bacon. So you are eating almost 100 pigs in one chew. This is deadly. But of course, they will add other chemicals to preserve it, to prevent it from rotting. They have coloratives so that all of them will maintain the same color. All meat is not the same color. If I kill 2 cows now and bring their meat, you will see slight difference. But they will put one color to make it uniform. That uniform color, now uniform by estrogen, progestogen, oral contraceptives. The pill. Group 1 carcinogens. OS, how far? See your life. Don't be from village and they do you. That thing where they put, this thing where they pop every time you see men, you pop it. Estrogen, progestin, menopausal therapy. No, think about it. You're having menopausal symptoms, you go to your doctor, they give you some pills to handle it. Boom, cancer don't come. Where is the cancer coming from? Estrogen, progestogen, menopausal therapy. Be careful. Okay, areca nut. Okay, tanning beds, UV emitting devices. Some ladies, when they go to salon, they have to close their eyes. They will use UV light on their eyes. You know, like your eyes are big, blindness with big cancer. You understand? Or they will do nails. They put it inside that UV light. Do you know that some people, sunlight? You know, sunlight is UV light. Sunlight causes cancer for some people. Why? Because they have used cream to destroy their skin barrier. You know, your skin as a black person is supposed to handle the sun. The sun is supposed to cure you of many diseases and maintain your smooth skin. How many mad people you don't see with skin problem? They know they get skin problem, or it's always smooth. How many of the people that walk under the sun have skin problem? All those conductors and drivers, they know they get out because the sun handles that. So the sun gives you, helps your body synthesize vitamin D. All right, vitamin D is the cure to many diseases that many black people face. If you are black, many diseases, depression, mood swing, all those things, vitamin D. So you need more sun. But some people will use face cream, and that face cream, they will use it to destroy their skin barrier. If you enter the sun, cancer. So there are many of them, but here are the ones I want you to see again. Human papilloma virus 16 and 18. This virus is sexually transmitted. You get it, boom, cancer. Okay, you are having two kinds of cancer. If you're a man, prostate, and if you're a woman, cervical. Go and check it all. Now hepatitis B and C. Okay, one of them here is sexually transmitted. Helicobacter pylori. This is ulcer. That's why I've been saying it. If you have ulcer, you have to treat your ulcer. Don't manage it. Don't say I've been having ulcer for the past 5 years, 10 years. See, you see cancer. Not just from the bacteria, but the drugs you are popping every day to handle the pain. Those drugs might eventually result to something else. Voila. That's why I told you this video might be taken down. I'm exposing too much. And the rest, okay? Leukemia and so on. So now, if you have not followed me, you are missing. All right, if you want to watch fuller videos, click my name, go to my page, you will see my YouTube link. Go there and follow me.